ई माँ ইস কাতকু তো লেগে যাবে। Hey guys, it's me Shritama and welcome back to my channel, and I'm starting a very impromptu vlog. This is actually my farewell glow up kind of a vlog, if you will. So finally mera farewell aa raha hai and I can rant on about it for hours and hours. Coming to the point, farewell मेरे लिए बहुत important है. This is my college farewell by the way, because जब हम लोग class 12 में भी थे, we did not get a farewell because of the whole COVID situation. So college में finally farewell मिलेगा, so I thought why not, let's have a glow up. And my glow up means getting my hair cut and getting my hair colored. Any minor inconvenience, Shritama Biswas. Insert that me. So anyways, a very impulsive decision on my part because my farewell is on 14th and today is the 12th, so you know me. 2 दिन में अगर set नहीं हुआ चीज़, so I can also look like a big fool, which is also there. Let me show you my hair का condition right now. काफ़ी बढ़ चुका है. My hair is quite long as you can see, and the ends झाड़ू बन चुके हैं. Like who will say, मैंने red color करवाया था, it's become completely brown. So my plan is getting a haircut and shoulder length तक most probably, and I'm gonna get my hair colored to again a very red shade because in my red-headed baddie era, and honestly बहुत मोपिंग अराउंड सैड हो गया. दीज एंड्स नीड टू गो. ऑल्सो मुझे अपनी साड़ी का ब्लाउज़ ख़रीदना है एंड मैंने साड़ी में फॉल्स लगाने के लिए दिया था, तो आई थिंक दैट्स गोना कम टुडे. ऑल इन ऑल आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. देयर आर जस्ट 2 days left, a lot of things to do, and if this goes downhill, we are in this together buddies. This is like the haircut which I want to get, like this butterfly cut जो मैंने पहले भी करवाया था, and सामने से ऐसे like this structures my face. And color के लिए of course I'm gonna go for dark cherry red hopefully. And क्वर्की मिस का ये फॉरवर्ड ग्रेजुएशन बॉब कट भी मुझे बहुत पसंद था, सो आई हैव सेंड दीज एज रेफरेंसेज टू माई पार्लर वाली दीदी. शी एक्चुअली डज रियली गुड वर्क, सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है. एंड इन द एंड इफ वी लुक लाइक सलमान भाई फ्रॉम तेरे नाम, that's also acceptable. It's 3 PM and I'm all set to go. Let's get ready for a new look and goodbye to these choppy ends. I am back home and honestly I have a lot of thoughts. Let's go and assess the whole situation. Up front तो मैं राधे भैया थोड़ी सी लग रही हूँ. Did I just make a re-entry into my baddie era? Probably, also probably not. I don't know the front situation. I am still a bit dicey about it क्योंकि थोड़ा सा राधे भैया from तेरे नाम vibes it is giving. Also it's oh my god, it looks so funny. This color is a vibe. Also the woman said that this is gonna intensify over the 2-3 days. So let's see. मुर्गी ना लग जाऊँ मैं, but baddie era it is. Hey guys, good morning. The hair situation over here is still questionable, but we'll figure that out. Anyways, it's the next day and this is what my hair looks like. Overall, I'm actually quite pleased कल का situation से, like except I think ये front bangs थोड़े ज़्यादा ही छोटे काट दिए. Other than that, the hair color and the haircut is just lovely and eyebrows भी got done very nicely. So as you can see right now, it's literally 7:30 and you may ask, what are you doing up so early? So basically I'm gonna go to my college. Yes, I'm just going to my college for my farewell practice because I'm dancing with one of my juniors, Sampurna. If you've seen my previous vlog, the fest vlog, you would know. And also I'm doing one more performance like with my girls. So agar time mila to we'll practice that, and also कल हमारा फेयरवेल है, सो आई हैव टू गो एंड बाई सम स्टफ, स्पेशली माई ब्लाउज. कैन यू इमेजिन टुमारो इज माई फेवरेट, मेरे पास ब्लाउज नहीं है. लाइक वॉट वॉज आई वेटिंग फॉर, वॉज आई हैचिंग एग्स, आई डोंट नो. सो आई हैव टू गो गेट माई ब्लाउज एंड अगर थोड़ा बहुत निकनैक ज्वेलरी मिला इधर उधर, so I'm gonna buy that. Also I'll insert my mood board over here, what my mood board is for my farewell. So that's there. Skin care कर लिया, अभी breakfast करेंगे and we'll head out. Let me show you guys quickly what my hair looks like in the open condition. I think सब ठीक है, but these, you know, the bangs thing is getting a little crazy. This is what my hair is looking like in the open condition right now. मैंने shampoo नहीं किया, so it's a bit oily. Everything's fine, but I feel like these bang situation, these are like getting really unruly. Yeah, but we have one stop fix for everything, which is dry shampoo, so we're gonna hope for the best. Anyways, कल तो shampoo करेंगे. Like, you know, if I keep my hair back like this, it still looks fine, but the moment like these bangs come in front, it's just framing my face a little weird. I've come to college and no one's around me and मैं अकेले क्लास में बैठी हूँ. And of course, before any event, pimples here and there popping up everywhere. यहाँ पे किसका पिंपल होता है? I'm waiting for my junior. She's gonna come around 10. थोड़ा सा डांस प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे. Then we're gonna leave for I think गोलिया हाट. वहाँ पे ब्लाउज and knick-knack jewelries and stuff we're gonna buy. Basically, like a fool, I had completely forgotten to vlog when I went to get the blouse, but this is the blouse which I finally selected. This kind of pairs well with the little flower details on this sari, and this is what the final look like I think is gonna look like. I even thought of going with these dangly earrings, but honestly I'm having really second thoughts. Maybe I have overdone everything and now nothing is landing. कल पूरा look होने के बाद only then maybe we'll see what happens, but overall I feel like it's giving a very mid look. And this is what my final look has turned out to be. Honestly, kal sham ko when I was trying the sari by itself, I was not feeling it, but I think it looks pretty good and my makeup has turned out quite well. No neck piece because statement earrings for the win, and I think it's a total slay moment, except just ye locks thoda sa muh mein aa raha hai, but we're gonna have to deal with it. So clearly this is editing Shritama filming an outro for this vlog. Anyways, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you with a very fun and fresh video. Till then guys, stay safe and be kind to yourself and others. Bye.